Hello children. Last session we have already discussed about carbohydrates and proteins. This session we are going to discuss about fats, vitamins and minerals as well as some other nutrients that is essential for our body. Okay, first we are going to discuss about fats. What are fats? Fats are actually stored foods. The body uses fat as a fuel like in the case of vehicles, and fat is the major storage form of energy in the body. Okay, that is similar to that of carbohydrates. Fats are the energy giving components, but to note that they have more energy than carbohydrate. Okay, in our body fat can be stored under the skin, around the heart, in the kidney, etc. Fat is known to have mainly three elements which include carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So whenever our body needs energy, since the fat is stored, it is uses this stored fats only. Okay, next we can discuss about the source of fats. Fats can be obtained from both plants and animals. Examples are given in this picture. From plants mainly we get oils, that is olive oil, corn oil, soybean oil, etc. are given. From the animals we get cheese and butter. Also it includes nuts also. Okay, important point to note is that if we eat excessive fat, it will lead to either obesity, which we will discuss later, or this excessive fat gets accumulated in blood vessels. What happens then? It If this fat gets accumulated in these blood vessels, it blocks or hinders the flow of blood, leading to many cardiac diseases or heart diseases. Okay, next, test for fats. Test for fats is very simple process. We can do it in a very simple manner. First, take a small quantity of food which is to be tested. Okay, wrap the food item in a piece of paper and crush it. Okay, after that, remove the paper slightly without tearing it. Make sure that the paper did not get teared. Okay, next, straighten the paper, and if we see or if we observe an oily patch on the paper, it indicates the presence of fats. That is, the given taken food contain fats in them. Okay, next type of nutrients is vitamins. Vitamins are the group of nutrients which are required by our body in a very small quantity, but these small quantities are very important for a number of functions in our body. Vitamins help in protecting our body against diseases. Vitamins are also essential for the growth and maintenance of the body. They also keep our eyes, bones, teeth, and gums healthy. Okay, these are the points given are the advantages or essential or necessities of vitamins. Okay, vitamins also helps in the proper utilization of other nutrients such as carbohydrates and fats. Following are the list of vitamins: vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. There is also another group of vitamins called vitamin B complex. In this session, we will be discussing more in detail about vitamin A, B, C, and D. First, vitamin A. What is vitamin A or how it is essential? We can get vitamin A from the following foods, that is egg, carrots, dairy products like milk, broccoli, papaya and fish. These are the sources of vitamin A. Okay, the functions of vitamin A is that it is necessary for good eyesight and healthy skin. That is, as already written here, vitamin A is good for healthy vision, skin, bones and other tissues. Next is vitamin B. Vitamin B, the source of vitamin B includes green leafy vegetables, that is given here, broccoli and spinach. soya bean, milk, beans, pea, etc. It is required for healthy skin and proper functioning of nerve cells. Okay, vitamin B complex, that is also a part of this vitamin B, helps prevent infections and helps in cell metabolism, that is functioning of cells. Okay, next is vitamin C. Vitamin C, the source of vitamins include orange, lemon, amla and tomato. This vitamin helps your body resist infection or diseases, that is this fight against diseases, and also helps our body to heal if you get cut. Okay, next is vitamin D. This helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Okay, it is required for healthy bones and teeth. Sources are sunlight, that is we can, our body can prepare vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Our body also prepare vitamin K also. The two vitamins that our body prepares are vitamin D and vitamin K. Okay, sorry, so also vitamin C is a vitamin that gets destroyed while boiling. Over boiling of the food destroys this vitamin C. Okay, vitamin D is over. Next is vitamin E and vitamin K. These are some of the sources of vitamin E and vitamin K. Vitamin, okay, just go through that picture itself. That's enough. Okay. Next is minerals. Minerals are also needed by our body in a very small quantities. Okay, they are also essential for proper growth of the body and to maintain good health. Like vitamins, it is also essential for proper growth of body and to maintain good health. Some of the examples of minerals are given here: iodine, phosphorus, iron, calcium, etc. Some of other are there. First one we can discuss about calcium. Calcium is given the fourth picture. The source of calcium, that is from where we get this calcium, includes milk, green leafy vegetables. It is required for healthy bones and teeth. That is, this calcium is required for the healthy bones and teeth. Next we can discuss about phosphorus. Phosphorus. Phosphorus sources includes milk, egg, fish, green leafy vegetable, pulses, etc. And what is the function of this phosphorus? Phosphorus is needed for healthy bones and teeth. Similar to that of calcium, phosphorus is also have the same purpose. That is, it is also required for the healthy bones and teeth. That is, sometimes we get tooth decay or etc. No, that is because of this lack of or absence of this calcium and phosphorus. Okay, next we are going to discuss about iron. The source of iron or iron rich foods are pulses, nuts, spinach, beans, apples, etc. And what is this function of iron? It is required for the formation of red pigment, that is the hemoglobin in our blood, and to protect us from infections. That is, this iron is actually required for that red color, that is red color of our blood, which is called hemoglobin, and to protect us from external infections. Okay, next is iodine. Iodine contained foods are seafoods like fish and prawns, or our common iodized table salt. Okay, what is the need of iodine? Iodine is necessary for normal growth and development of our body. These are the other examples which I haven't discussed in a picture. You can go through this picture. Okay, next is water. Along with the nutrients, our body also need water and roughage. First we will discuss about water. What are the functions of water? Helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. The first function of water is it helps our body to absorb nutrients from food, and also it helps in throwing out some wastes from our body as urine and sweat. That is, some extra waste are there in our body which is usually removed by our body in the form of urine and sweat. Both are water. Okay, many food items themselves contain water. We know that already. Watermelon, like other fruits have already water content in them. It is suggested that we should drink at least 6 to 8 or to 10 glasses of water per day in order to maintain the water content of our body. Next is the along with water and nutrients, we also need dietary fibers or roughage for our human body. What is roughage? Roughage does not provide any nutrients to our body. It is not like some other nutrients that we already discussed. It does not provide extra nutrient to our body, but is essential component of our food and add to its bulk. Roughage is mainly provided by plant products in our food. These functions of roughage is that it mainly helps to get rid of undigested food. Examples or sources of roughage foods are whole grains, that is all grains, fruits, vegetables, beans, nuts, and seeds. Okay, thank you, children.